Guess what, friends? You don't need this, and you don't need to buy this to make an amazing keto ice cream. You just need 3 simple ingredients. Join me in the kitchen.
I just love that I can use my good old food processor Bessie in this recipe. You do not need to go buy a fancy ice cream maker. Do not spend that money. Save that money. Look, gang, this food processor has been with me for a long time. It travels with me to Drug Emporium when we do our low carb cooking classes, which I cannot wait to fire back up again. Let me know in the comments if you're as excited as I am. And we're throwing in there the frozen berry medley from Walmart. Y'all know I'm bougie on a bayou. Y'all know I don't like to spend a lot of money on my food, and that is my goal. I want to keep it bougie on the bayou for y'all, but the food tastes good. Now, a ton of y'all are going to ask in the comments, and here's the answer. Yes, you can do blueberries. Yes, you can do just raspberries. Yes, you can use items from the farmer's market. This frozen berry medley, half a cup, 35 calories, 9 grams of carbs, 3 grams of fiber, coming in at 6 net carbs. The sweetener we're going to add to this is my fabulous Swerve. You all know that I love this product. 1/4 of a cup, all you need. And again, some of y'all are going to ask about monk fruit. Please price compare. Y'all know I get my Swerve over at the fabulous Drug Emporium. We're going to add a 1/4 cup of our heavy whipping cream. Again, you see that Great Value brand. The question was posed to me in our blueberry ice cream video, which I'll link below because it's delicious and it's fat burning. So you want to see what that secret ingredient is, about using different milk alternatives like almond milk and coconut milk. If you've been watching my channel, y'all know I'm not the biggest fan of coconut milk, more for taste purposes, but go ahead and try it and let me know in the comments if you did try it, because I want to share with others, hey, this is a great alternative. I am open to suggestions, y'all. I love when y'all leave comments. In fact, I want you to comment if you're going to try this or you have another cool ice cream combination that we could do. Go ahead and pulse, and you can see that it is a little difficult. So you're going to grab your spatula, and hey, before I keep talking, make sure to give this video a like, and if you haven't subscribed, shame on you, subscribe. But you might have to add a little bit water, which I did. I added about a 1/4 cup of water, got it pulsed. It's beautiful. Y'all, my kids tore into this. I barely had any bites of it. This will be a huge winner chicken dinner. And if you want another ice cream, just go ahead and click, because I got that blueberry ice cream following. It's fat burning, has a super secret ingredient. And if you were too busy laughing, didn't get the recipe, scroll down below. You'll also get yourself a menu. And for more low carb and laughter, be sure to subscribe. Much love, gang.